In this video, we will demonstrate how this OneSource client can transform visual management boards. When you think of visual management today, you probably think of people huddled around a board that is paper-based and manually updated once per shift. But with OneSource, the visual management board is interactive, digital, and automatically updated in real time, improving visibility and driving action, helping you and your team solve problems more quickly. At the core of OneSource are boards that make it easy to organize information important to you. With OneSource, you can transform any paper board to digital. Users start with a blank canvas that is 100% customizable to create any type of board layout preferred. The board layout can highlight safety, quality, product launch, and floor management systems. OneSource also has a built-in activities and tasks module to create digital Kanban and project management boards. The OneSource board can be personalized per your preferences. OneSource gives you the flexibility to make what you care about most front and center. With the OneSource Board Designer, you can drop in sources, size them, organize them, include titles, states, and symbols in any way you can imagine. And board sections allow users to drill down into detailed areas of information on their board and layer information.
With OneSource, where you are physically matters less.
Whether you are having a quick huddle meeting at the line or a virtual in-depth problem-solving session, you can conduct more engaging meetings focused on problem-solving, not mundane tasks. OneSource consolidates everything in one platform, facilitating teamwork and collaboration virtually anywhere, anytime.
OneSource is driven by real-time information.
When your team works with a OneSource board, you can be certain that they are working with the most current information on the same page wherever they are. The OneSource file synchronization technology enables you to use tools that you are accustomed to and ensures files are up to date, in sync, in real time, regardless of the edits that are being made on your desktop or at the board. Boards display live thumbnail previews of sources so that even when edits to sources are made, information displayed is always up to the moment, providing at-a-glance status. Sources can include Microsoft Teams and SharePoint hosted documents like Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, PDF documents for operator instructions and safety protocols, Microsoft Power BI reports to analyze data promoting continuous improvement, along with video files that may be used for organizing a library of employee training programs. OneSource makes it easy to draw attention to areas of greatest concern. Users can easily reflect current conditions of sources to team members with states, and start conversations with rich history included directly from the board by sharing a source in a Squeaks message that contains workflows and escalation rules that target specific teams to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. OneSource also provides an excellent opportunity for you to praise employees for a job well done.
Managers and team leaders can ensure confidential sources are secure with OneSource Access Control, where they can define which users are allowed to view, annotate, edit, and manage specific boards and sources.
And these synchronized files brought into OneSource can be hosted on-premise through a network share folder or in the cloud through Azure, Microsoft Teams, and SharePoint. OneSource enhances collaboration between the office worker and the frontline worker with an engaging interface that can be seen anywhere, anytime, on any device.
OneSource is an intuitive, easy-to-use, no-code platform that requires minimal training to get started. OneSource makes every second matter by providing you quick access to the information you care about most across all your devices.
OneSource is the ultimate interactive visual management board for building culture and improving productivity. Get your free demo and set up your first OneSource board in less than 10 minutes. Thank you!